Sri Lanka has one of the most unique flags in the world, which represents this island nation. Not only does it have a vivid color palette, every single aspect and detail of the flag is symbolic and meaningful. However, the current flag was not always like this and has gradually evolved over the last 2 centuries. A banner featuring a lion and carrying a sword along with the sun and moon symbols was first used as far back as in the 2nd century BCE. The Kingdom of Kandy is known to have used this flag until 1815. Once the British took control of the island in the same year, the flag changed to this version, with the Union Jack on the upper left corner, the flag of the Ceylon colonial government. This was used until Sri Lanka, then Ceylon, gained independence in 1948. The evolution and additions of the current flag started with this version, which was used until 1951. The additional colors were then added as representation of Sri Lankan Tamils and Muslims. The final iteration of the flag was then officially adopted on May 22, 1972, as the civil and state flag, with the inclusion of the 4 bow leaves. The symbolism of the flag and its varied elements are the lion, the most predominant feature, representing the Sinhalese people. Bow leaves in the 4 corners stand for the 4 Buddhist virtues of loving kindness, compassion, sympathetic joy, and equanimity. The sword shows the sovereignty of the nation. The curly hair on the lion's head, religious observance, wisdom, and meditation. The 8 hairs on the lion's tail, the noble 8-fold path. The nose of the lion, intelligence, and the 2 front paws, purity in handling wealth. The handle of the sword, elements of water, fire, air, and earth. The maroon background represents the Sinhala ethnicity. The orange stripe, Tamil ethnicity. And the green stripe, the Moor ethnicity. Finally, the saffron border is an indication of a predominantly Buddhist culture and the unity amongst people.